morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel in a little different spot today. We've got we're out on a boat. Look at this. We got Ryan. This is Fox back here. We got Darin. It's Darin and Fox's boat. They invited Ryan and I out. We've already been swinging on a few fish. Darin's got two nice largies. Ryan's got a nice smallie. I've got a smallie and a largie, and we got to get Fox on the board here. But we're out on the river looking for anything that bites. So stick with us. See what we can put in the boat today. Oh, we got another one. Man, Darin's taking a big lead today. That seems like a decent fish. That is a nice largie.
Smallmouth.
That's a largemouth. Yeah. Hold that up for the people at home there, Darin. Nice. Probably a 2-pounder. I was gonna bring my scale, but I ran out of batteries. If we get something massive.
Okay, I'll catch a muskie then. I got one. You do? Yeah, it's a fish.
Yeah. All right, Rye. Whoa. Sorry, Fox. Watch out. I thought I had. Get him, Rye. Come on, get him in. It's just a little guy, but that's a smallie. Hold on. Gotta get treble hooks. You gotta be careful.
Yeah, I don't do those.
Ouch.
Would you step?
I got my line wrapped around my ankle.
Yeah.
All right. That is a fish. All right. Stay on, buddy. It's a little fat guy. Yep. He's just like me, little fat guy. No, he's not that big. It must be a largie though, because he's bulldogging. Nope, that's a smallie. Yeah. And there he goes. You just aren't right. Yeah, little guy. Very aggressive guy. He's almost as big as the popper. Easy little guy. I have more poppers if you want them, Fox. Itty bitty little largemouth. Hit the popper. Yeah. There we go, Fox.
Oh, he's already beaten me.
Oh, Yeah.
Oh, no, it does. Yeah.
Oh.
Good fish.
That is a really good fish. We can. He's probably 2.5 pounds. Here, Ryan, take my picture.
Give me your phone. Who doesn't? The only time I like
Sideways.
fish are being taken
Sideways.
is fishing. Get it big. Okay. Let me hold him. I want to release him.
Well, we're gonna weigh him.
Yeah. Can I double up here?
2.5.
Ooh, good fish.
5'3".
Whoop.
He's bleeding. You can have him.
Huh?
He's bleeding. You can have him.
That's just from the hook in his mouth. He'll be fine. One more look at him, guys.
Yeah.
Yes. It's number 3 for me. Away he goes.
Okay. What? Like 20 minutes.
Some guys fish a lot back in that marina. There we go.
What's the net?
That's a decent fish.
What's the net?
That's a fish.
What's the net?
That's a fish. That's a big one.
What's the net? Let's feed some water.
Nice.
Oh,
That's big one.
I gave it some water. Is it on the camera?
Yeah. Pretty sure.
I gave it some water. Scale.
Right here.
I'm sorry. Oh, okay, Rick just went bye-bye. Wait, how? Watch out.
I'm gonna say 17.
17 inches?
Yeah. Not pounds. I'm gonna say 3.4 pounds.
Maybe 3. Maybe.
Yeah, he's kind of skinny.
Yeah.
Long.
Yeah. Yeah, but you're right. Like, he's not got a ton of. Not even 2.5.
No.
2.42.
Oh. Darin's on with a good one. That's a beautiful looking fish. That's big of the day. Look at that. That is a tank.
You said it's a tank.
It did.
Coach Tom
Yeah.
still got me.
I don't think so.
He's not as heavy as.
Yeah, 2.7. You got him. Big fish of the day
So far.
so far.
Not done yet. Another hour or two.
Up in his eye. Sure. Be a smart fox.
That's good. She's good.
Oh, Rye!
That was awesome. I wish you would have caught the fish. That would have been nice.
Yeah, pick him up. Yeah. My best friend. Yeah, it does pick me up.
This box is going to be absolutely miserable.
Yahoo! Where'd that go? That land?
Yeah. Oh, they want it. They want it burned. You got to burn them. Oh, that was awesome.
Oh, dang it, I think my reel's broken. His reel's not real.
Good fish. Probably big fish.
That's something to off my reel. It's like going sideways.
Tighten it up.
Mm-mm.
Get it? Got it? Tighten it up.
Look at that, guys.
There we go. I got it. Wait, what are you doing? Flopper.
Burning it. That's 2 that smoked it on the burn.
I told you, and it.
Darin's on another one.
Turn and burn for who won. Oh, I got real luck.
Put on the little bait fish.
What
Well,
do
I'm
you
getting
want?
ready to pull a Yui here. You guys can read that. It's 10:15.
I'm dying. We can get off the water at one.
No, we got to be home about 1.
Yeah, so
We got
about
stuff.
another-
We got stuff to
about an
do.
hour, maybe. We do too. Gotta watch the boat. Fox has to watch the boat. Did he hit it right at the boat?
Yep.
Yeah. I flipped over and I saw a fish just swimming up there. You know.
What's that? 6, 7?
For me,
Yeah.
5.
Oh my god, too.
Largy. Thank you, buddy.
Oh, dude. Using a 2?
How long? Put your hand down there and grab it.
Boat flip.
Yeah.
Wow, dude. Is that the first cast? What did it feel like? Did he do something hard? You, man. How many is that now? 6? 7. That's 7. And we're tied again.
Oh, jeez. I had something to do, so I went and did it.
That's how it goes now. You saw how it happened earlier. Oh, well, that's the line. How are you supposed to shoot?
Dude. Hey. I got it this time.
Hey, there we go, Rye. That's a good fish.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Fight
He's
it
running
on.
around the boat.
We'll run after him.
Can't really.
Up and over.
Up and over, over. Reel.
Oh, I
Smokey. Oh my
Boat flip.
What happened?
He snapped the line.
You did?
Yeah. Grab him.
I can't grab him.
No. Oh, you guys.
What? I pinned him.
Did it snap the line?
Yeah. Hold him.
Good fish.
Go stand right there.
Yeah, whoa.
That's a great fish.
Oh, let's get some stuff.
Watch out, wait, I gotta double up.
Put it down
Did you
so you
feel
see.
him?
Gotta
Now
hold it close to
put
the
your
camera.
other hand here.
Attaboy.
There you go.
I see them pearly whites.
Down. Okay, go ahead. Let him go.
Oh,
Smoked them.
that's heavy.
Come on, put him in the water.
Bye bye, buddy. I love you.
Like, I don't love you.
I got about 55 pounds of grass today.
That's fish, that's big.
Oh, that is a big one.
Did you say mine's not big? I almost tried big.
Hold on, Fox. I'll get it. Bring him up here. That might challenge big fish of the day. Bring him over here.
Running.
Yeah.
Digging.
Get his head up. There we go. Look at that. That's a big boy. There, Fox.
That's 8, huh?
There you go, man.
No, that's too. Oh, that's a big fish.
That is a big fish.
It's skinny
I
though.
wanna be, but I think that one might hit.
That might.
Hit it hard.
Wait, I need to, yeah. Smoked it. I need help with the bug, I don't know what it is.
Here, you do this.
Wish me out.
I'll do this.
Get another fish.
Thank you.
What do we got? What do we got?
Nah.
That's
2, 3. Oh, very deceptive. Very deceptive.
That's surprising.
Oh, it's tied. Wait.
Oh, Ryan.
Is it big?
He thinks he is. I don't think he is, but
Stop. You don't want him to catch the same thing.
Yeah.
Down from under the boat.
Ryan, get your bait out of there.
Damn, dude.
He is bulldogging you.
I'm not going.
That's pretty good fish.
Ooh, he's heavy. Oh, he choked it.
Well, that's definitely like 4 pounds.
Wait,
It's like 4 pounds. It's like 4 pounds.
3.5.
304.
I guess not.
Well, Mr. Darin retains big fish of the day. All right, everybody, that's where we're gonna wrap it up today. Hey, a lot of fish caught today. Darin retains big fish of the day with just over 3 pounds on that last smallmouth. I want to thank Darin and Foxx for having me and Ryan out on their boat today. What a fantastic day. Look at this. Gorgeous. Great day to be out on the water, catching some fish, as always. Hey, if you don't mind, give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel, because I know most of you watching this video are not. What are you waiting for? Subscribe, join the family, and we'll catch you next time.